Good day, students. Today we are going to episode number 4, and that is regarding chemical kinetics. Chemistry problem solving, you can easily score full marks. And scoring full marks, you can choose which medical college you want to do. Let's move on to the first question now. The half-life period of a radioactive element is 140 days. After 560 days, 1 gram of element will be reduced to A, half a gram, B, quarter gram, C, 1/8 of a gram, D, 1/16 of a gram. Second question. The half-life period of the first order of reaction is 4 minutes. The time after which 99.9% reaction get completed is A, 16 minutes, B, 8 minutes, C, 32 minutes, D, 40 minutes. Third question, chemical kinetics. For the reaction A to B, the rate of reaction increases 8 times when the concentration of the reactant increases 4 times. The order of the reaction is A, 2.5, B, 0.5, C, 1.5, D, 2.0. Moving on to the next question, which is the fourth question. After 2 hours, a radioactive substance becomes 1/16th of original amount. Then the half-life in minutes is A, 60 minutes, B, 120 minutes, C, 30 minutes, D, 15 minutes. Fifth question, chemical kinetics. The rate constant for first order reaction is 1.54 into 10 to the power of minus 3 S to the power of minus 1. Calculate its half-life period. A, 450 seconds, B, 500 seconds, C, 600 seconds, D, 700 seconds. Question number 6. The rate constant of a reaction is 5.8 into 10 to the power of minus 2 S to the power of minus 1. The order of the reaction is A, first order, B, zero order, C, second order, D, third order. Last question for today is chemical kinetics. A reaction proceeds by first order. 75% of this reaction was completed in 32 minutes. The time required for 50% completion is A, 8 minutes, B, 16 minutes, C, 20 minutes, D, 24 minutes. Okay, let's solve it. Tomorrow you'll get the answers. You can become a doctor.